Hello. In this video, we will explore a very interesting topic.
This is a question many of you have asked the Dog Mind Decoded channel. Why don't dogs and other animals get cavities?
Scientists recommend brushing our teeth twice daily to prevent cavities. Let's begin.
However, many people brush more than twice a day, yet still get cavities. Are dentists feeding us an unrealistic belief? Are they just trying to sell more products?
I'm not sure if brushing reduces cavities, but it definitely makes teeth cleaner.
But why don't animals, who don't even brush, get cavities? To answer this, we must clarify 2 points. First, are you sure no animals get cavities? You may have never seen an animal with cavities, but that doesn't mean they don't exist.
Perhaps they can't speak, cry when in pain, or visit a doctor.
Also, they might live far from you, so you wouldn't know when they have a toothache.
In reality, some animals are found to have cavities during examinations, especially pets.
Why are domesticated animals more prone to cavities? We'll explore this later. However, it must be affirmed that no creature gets as many cavities as humans.
Animals, especially wild ones, rarely get cavities. Why is that?
Here are some interesting and quite humorous reasons. First, let's talk about food. As I explained in a previous video, cavities occur when food plaque sticks to teeth. This plaque contains starches and sugars, which bacteria ferment into acid, eroding tooth enamel. This leads to cavities. So, if food doesn't contain starch and sugar, it's very difficult to get cavities. Looking at animals, there are 2 main groups: herbivores and carnivores. Herbivores eat grass and leaves. These foods lack starch and sugar, so they don't get cavities. Carnivores are similar.
Meat is not a food rich in starch and sugar. Therefore, even if it sticks to teeth, it won't ferment. Even omnivores don't eat candy, cakes, or rice like humans. So, they won't get cavities.
Thus, food is a very important factor. We humans brush our teeth diligently, but we constantly eat sweets.
It's hard to keep our teeth healthy. Because of humans, some dogs occasionally get cavities. Now, let's move to the second reason. Some animals have a habit of licking their teeth after eating. Licking teeth is no different from brushing. It sweeps away food stuck on teeth, making them cleaner. We humans enjoy kissing. If we combine that with licking teeth, wouldn't it be both fun and beneficial? Third, some animals have the habit of ruminating. Some experts believe rumination helps clean teeth. Because the food is mixed with oral fluid and is quite wet, it won't stick to the teeth. However, we probably shouldn't follow this method. If you want to try, just get drunk and call your friend. Then try chewing the residue to see if it cleans your teeth. Fourth, animals have relatively short lifespans, much shorter than human lifespans. Interestingly, many animals have conditions for cavities, but they pass away before cavities can develop. So, their average lifespan also reduces the cavity rate. From the above reasons, we see that cavities are a desire for animals, especially wild ones. As for our pets, if they're lucky, they can still get cavities normally. Just keep feeding them lots of sweets, cakes, and starchy foods, and they'll get cavities soon enough. As for us humans, don't rely on brushing and eat whatever you want. If you're not careful, you'll get cavities. So, why don't dogs get cavities as often as we do? It isn't because their teeth are stronger. And it certainly isn't because they never need dental care. The real reason is, their mouths evolved for a completely different lifestyle. They weren't built to enjoy sugary snacks. They were built to tear meat, crush bones, and survive in the wild. Today, our dogs may sleep on soft beds, wear cute collars, and wait for treats after dinner.
But inside their mouth, thousands of years of evolution are still protecting them.
That doesn't mean your dog will never have dental problems. It simply means nature gave them a different set of challenges than ours. So the next time your dog flashes that big, happy smile, remember, you're looking at one of evolution's most remarkable designs. If you learned something new today, let us know in the comments. When was the last time you brushed your dog's teeth? And if there's another mystery about dogs you've always wondered about, tell us below. Don't forget to subscribe to Dog Mind Decoded, because every strange dog behavior has a scientific reason behind it.